Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to J&J English Cafe. I am John.
And I am Judy. It is great to be here with you today, John.
Judy, I have a very strange question for you today. It is an old question, but it is fun.
Oh, I love questions. What is it?
Well, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
Oh, wow. That is a classic. People ask this question for many, many years.
Yes, and I always think about it when I eat breakfast. Think about it, Judy. A chicken comes from an egg, but an egg comes from a chicken. It is a big circle. It never ends.
You are right, John. It feels like a magic circle, but science actually has an answer for this.
Really? Science knows the answer? Please tell me.
Well, think about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived a long, long time ago, long before the first chicken.
Yes, I know dinosaurs. They were big and scary.
And guess what? Dinosaurs laid eggs.
Oh, that is true. Dinosaurs laid eggs, birds lay eggs, and fish lay eggs too.
Exactly. So eggs were here on Earth millions of years before chickens.
Oh, wait. I see. But what about a chicken egg? That is different, right?
Ah, yes. That is the real question. Which came first, the chicken or the chicken egg?
Yes, that is what I mean.
Okay, let us look at history. A long time ago, there was a bird. It was not a chicken. It was a bird that looked a lot like a chicken. Let us call it a proto-chicken.
A proto-chicken? Okay, I can imagine that.
This proto-chicken laid an egg. Inside that egg, there was a small change. Science calls this mutation.
A small change?
Yes, and because of that small change, the baby bird that came out of the egg was the very first real chicken.
Wow. So two birds that were not chickens made an egg, and that egg had the first real chicken inside?
Yes, you got it. That is how nature works. Small changes over a very long time.
So, the chicken egg came first, because the first chicken had to come out of that egg.
Exactly, John. The egg came first.
Wow, Judy. That is amazing. My mind is clear now. No more circles.
I am glad I can help. Now you can eat your breakfast in peace.
Yes. But now I have another problem.
Oh? What is that?
Now I am just really hungry. Let us go get some eggs.
That sounds like a great idea. See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye. Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.